I got the Tom's chassis brace in the car with me right now, so I want to just give you guys my opinion before and after, or not before and after because I didn't do a drive before, but I can feel the difference already. Like there's a big difference with just sway bars. So if I include the chassis and on top of that the strut towers, pretty sure it's gonna be like a pretty big difference, especially the rear chassis brace. Oh, he's passing. Oh, he's passing. Oh shit, he's crazy. Damn. Alright, I'm next. Okay. Alright, let's see if I can put the pressure on him. Alright, but yeah, as I was saying, guys, the chassis brace, so it's a whole kit. It's a Tom's Racing chassis brace, and yeah, it's pretty expensive. It's rare. They're discontinued now. I know you can get the two fronts for $450 on Apexi. I don't know how to pronounce it, but Apexi online. For the two fronts is $450. When the rear chassis was made, or I think for sale, I think it was like $700, like $699. Now it's discontinued, so you can't buy it. But $700 is still pretty pricey because the F Sport was like $250, I think, brand new from retail. Now people selling for like $300. So I came up with this kit because, like I said, the rear chassis brace plus this middle piece that I'll show you guys in the video once I make it. That right there alone was $699. The front was $450, and the two rear ones, I'm honestly not sure how much they were, but my guess is they're around $200, $220. Looking at the new ones that they make for the IS500 and the IS350 for like 2021 and up, because they make the kits for it, but they discontinued the two IS. So to make up for the two rear that I don't have, I just got the Cusco rear brace. So now I have a complete setup, complete under chassis brace setup. So I'm excited to put it on and see how the car feels around the corners, back roads. I wish I could have got more footage right now, but as you can see, there's a lot of cars right now. I couldn't really get any good runs. Actually, I could keep going straight, but then if I do that, I don't know. I'm trying to go home already. But yeah, guys, that's basically it. I'll try to fast forward the video right now to see if I can get more curvy roads, because there's still more like turns and stuff, but like I said, there's a lot of traffic in front of me right now, and I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it. So from my personal experience, the Megan Racing sway bars do make a difference, like for sure. I remember today at work, actually, on my way to work, there's always this off-ramp that I take to go to work, and the off-ramp is super tight, and I try to go like 30, 40 sometimes, but my car gets a body roll, and today I think I did like 40 or 50, no problem, no body roll at all, and you can definitely feel the difference. The suspension is super tight. Even right now, how I just turned, my car would have a little body roll, but that shit's doing good right now. I could only imagine once I have the whole chassis brace underneath and the strut towers, and I think as far as suspension mods go, I just need the ISF steering ECU, and I'll be chilling pretty much for suspension mods. Eventually, I'll get a Sinky diff bushings, because my diff bushings are going out, but they're like 300 or 2 something. I don't know. I don't want to buy them right now because I'm not trying to spend more money. You know, once I settle all my debt and pay that off. That's why I'm not really posting right now either. All the money that I'm using to buy car parts right now is things I sell. So like I sold my 2011, 2013 headlights, and I bought Megan Racing sway bars with the money I made off of that. And I just recently sold my camera, so I bought the chassis brace on Facebook Marketplace, like I said, for $550. And I also got the Cusco brace, the strut towers, and I'm planning on just doing that for now. and little by little I'll start doing the front bumper conversion that I want to do, and then I'll do the paint and all that. But you know, I'm just gonna do little by little. Yeah, my main goal right now is pay off all my debt, and once we're good to go on that, saving up for the manual swap. Once I pay off my debt, saving up for the manual swap should not take long. I should be able to save up a lot of money in no time. So yeah, guys, that's basically it for this little, what's it called, podcast? It's not even a podcast. This little session. I know you guys see me driving. Hopefully it sounds good on the dash cam. If it doesn't, I apologize, but I know I've been talking and ranting a lot. I'm just trying to let you guys know what I've been doing. But yeah, guys, if you guys want to see an install video on the Tom's Brace chassis, let me know. I'm not sure if there's any people out there that have any, or like, I'm pretty sure if you've had it, you already have it installed. But if you guys want a video, let me know. I'll make an install video. I'll try my best. I'm pretty sure it's simple, straightforward. You just gotta take out bolts, put them in. But yeah, guys, if you guys want that video, let me know. Comment below. I appreciate you guys for watching today's video. Peace out. Take care, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Later.